In today's video, I'm going to talk about the mysterious portal. This was created by the scientists in in Melon Hood, but they decide when someone stepped in it, they disappeared and they shut down the factory. But one day, three boys entered this factory and they saw the teleporter. They did not know what is going to happen because it's been 20 years since it was locked. They did. One of them decided. One of them says. One of them says. One of them says. We should go inside. We should go inside of this. What will happen if we go inside? We need to go inside, or something. We will be, or we will be disappeared. Will be disappeared, or will be created like into a mutant, like in the movies. And the others say, okay, let's test it out. And they say, okay. Now, one by one, they go inside the portal. Yo. But one of them got missing. Is missing. Until they found out the one is inside of this. They said, and he said, ha ha ha, now you're trapped on this. Ah, ah. What if I activate this? what will happen? Guys, wait, let me see. Teleporter. Wait, no. Where did they go? Oh, I gotta find them quick. And he got stuck and activated itself. Ah, yummy. And to this day, this group of three has never been found. So I'm going to still continue this story. In 1996, they say some kids or someone have found their bodies. Yes, they have found their bodies laying in here, in Southeast Asia. Yes, they have found the bodies. One of them is still alive, and he died in 2022. Yes, due to and they due to of old age. And someone said, wait, where's all my friends? Wait, pumpkin. Ah, ow, ah, ah. This is just a dream. But they go in the portal in they go inside in the year when they go in the portal is 2025, and he got hit and he died in 2022. How is he still alive around that time? And any of their trace was never found.